LG. Package 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes.
All sa mill, ha?
Yes.
What?
15.
This one, the last one there.
The last one 12.
12,
The other 13.
13, and this one
13.
is split. This one
Yes.
13.
Yes.
Okay.
12, 13, 15. Maybe working.
This one working, huh?
Yes, yes.
What number?
That's separate area.
Separate.
Separately.
This one number.
This one my area.
Okay.
Meeting room.
Meeting room. So okay. And this one I need to.
Okay. You want to go
Yeah.
inside the chef office?
This one.
Yes.
Form, huh?
Now.
So this one, that ACs need insulation for the ducting. Package AC 9.
10.
10.
9.
9.
8.
8.
8,
Okay.
9, 10.
And this one have the power supply, transformer. 8, 9, 10. Okay. This one is split. HO, this one have. This one ducting number 10 AC SKM is need for the insulation of this ducting. See, the ducting is cold here, but if coming more hot weather, the air it will become hot also. Very big this one. Number 1 AC.
Yes. But like
Number 1.
fan is low. Why?
Not working fan.
Working fan, but the wire is
No,
low.
maybe this one have sensor. If not too much hot, only 3 fan like that, or 2 fan. And this one. And here.
The one here.